Ehuru ya curriculum y'amashomero emanyirwe nka validation of revised primary curriculum etandikira izoba rya nyumuyobaziyo kandi neyo kuhendera izoba rya nchakare aharakano na Apollo kwa Primary Teachers College omu rubuga rwa Fort Portal. Ehuru regi etabirwa mu bakuru b'amashomero abashomesa bakuru b'ebyobwegiso ku rugumuza districts ezaburengerwa izoba n'ahandi.
So as where we are right now in the review process of the primary curriculum, we did an evaluation of the existing curriculum. We developed a curriculum framework. We developed a scope and sequence. And from this, we now developed the syllabus from P1 to P3.
We started with the evaluation of the current, the one we are using now. We started by evaluating it to identify the gaps, to also get the needs of the society, because as society changes, many things change.
Okurugera hari National Curriculum Development Center abembireho regi ekiziro bwa nyuma yo kureba ibiromera byingi ebiri mu curriculum eroho aho kushoma no kubara mu bana kurukuba munonga nebe kushomesa ubwaye bitarukwatagana nebyo birukorwa omu mbereho y'abantu hamwe n'amashomero agaharurengo rwa primary obutakwatagana kurungi nagwa garya harurengo rwa secondary.
The curriculum review is mandated to be reviewed every after 5 years. For us, we have taken a long time due to other constraints, but here we are now to review. Another reason why we wanted to review the curriculum, this is just the first part. Later on, we shall review primary 4 up to primary 7. It is to align the competency-based curriculum of secondary with lower secondary with primary.
Validation of a curriculum document is about the quality of the document in terms of consistency, in terms of relevance, in terms of accuracy, in terms of logical sequencing, in terms of the scope. Is this material enough to be taught over a period of 2 weeks, for example? Now, to say yes or no to this, it requires somebody who is rooted in the system. It requires somebody who has been teaching this. It requires somebody who has been preparing teachers to do this. So
John Bosco tumwesije orukuru biwegiso mu Fort Portal nagira ngo ikintu kija kwera mu kumara hebiroboka ebitwiro mu mashomero ga primary kumara wire buringwa.
By the end of this session or by the end of this training, we shall need to know which subjects are in this syllabus. P1, P1, P3. I want to tell you that in some schools, they are teaching different subjects. You find school A has its own subjects, which are different from school B. School B.
Tukialiyo ntusera tubikole tuta korora byarwa mu kurungi nabweke bitukora sazino tibikagumibwe kwekera kimu baramara korora kimu ihanga lyona balera bamu.
Omugandi abana b'amashomero mu district ya Rubirizi behanangirizibwa kutumutuma hamishomo yabo. Ebi nebindi bigambirwa mukuru gwa Katerera County Education Forum ogubira ishomero rya Bishop Bacenga Secondary School.
Maybe a vocational mikono in all areas, accounting, records, fashion and design, the hotel. There are many places, there are many jobs in the hotel sector. Sometimes I look for people, but who are not, I get those who are not good. Washara mukushoma ebebye mikono, you need to perfect and do your best.
I want you to mind about teaching boy child. Ababicha mukora abona mbere bashishi. Hati mara wawe naza kushorwa.
Amashomero agarukurenga nkaga nugugeta biro mu rukiko orukubaho buri mwaka orwa Katerera County Education Forum.
kukaterera nemwe ebire ryenye mu bintu byogwegese konka ninyenda kuhamiza abo kuturebera izo ningabo kuturra okugira ngo katerera nitwenda kosamane mingi okurebuka ngo nitwe twarugo muri aba barukugaya twabasa kuza aharurengo rundi ntwiza kukikora tuta twehireyo okurebuka ngo twaguma tutayira amashomero gitu nitureba nibatwaza bata abasomesa nibiza ishomero mbwire abana bono bashoma.
It is my role, it is your role as a parent kureba ngo abana bitu twabatero environment erije kwatwara ishomero bakashoma kandi bakaba burungi muno na fees tuzibahereze sinko mwana umukuratirize umanye fees yiwamuha yagitya ishomero. And I would encourage all parents reach out to schools kushanga byaha uryumuzire numwana hashomera to kwamanya tukayikayoga
abatebekana isorukiko ruho nabatugambire umwahabizwe barukushanga
entekatekeje ya kasefu eyambere munonga abana kumashomero abo kuba ecyange abana binji bashoma be batakweza abamwe tubakoze cyamushanje abandi bakoze sinya yakana konka kuba kwisha umuterane kebe abana babagambira bagumashomero
Gashagwa Jonathan Tusingwire na Onesmus India nabo